kind of understand.
We
And
balancing point.
so, you saying it before you say it. Let me get on my stuff. Oh, I tend to like to use the yarn because to me it ties better than string. String tends to loosen up. Okay. I know this is a. Okay. So what we're doing is a scissors, ruler, string, pencil, and modeling clay. Cut a 12-inch length of string, tie the string 1 inch from the end of the pencil, and then we're going to put the clay on it. So we're going to tie this to the end of the pencil. We're going to put it down here because I think we're putting it on this one. Okay, you're tying this here. Now, and before you film, let me get it on. Are you filming now?
I am.
This is going to be the experiment that you're going to have to work hard to make it work. Okay, so this is called balancing act because so now it says take 1 inch from the end of the pencil, make a ball of clay around the size of it. So it says the size of a lemon, but we're going to start with this. And you're putting the string will be barely in it, okay? So we may have to use more. Mold the clay around the string so that the string is barely inside the edge of it, okay? It's not going to be in the center. We're not doing like an axis, okay? And then it says hold the end of the string and add a small piece of clay to the end of the pencil until the pencil balances horizontally. So then I'll just, so this one's almost there. Well, actually we need to do it. Yeah. Let's see. I don't need to do it all, I need to do more. So if that was the case and it's going down, let's go back and put more here. If before I put this on there and it's going downward, then that means
it wasn't enough.
You just put a little bit more to make this experiment work because you want it to kind of lift up. So that's almost, well, that's almost very even right there. So then I'm just going to take a little bit to kind of balance it. Okay? Because that what you're trying to do is show, and this word is the barycenter. Okay? The center of gravity. So let's read the center of gravity. The moon does not orbit the actual center of the earth. It orbits the barycenter, which is the center of gravity between the two. The barycenter is a point on a line between two masses where they can actually balance with each other. So the point of gravity is not necessarily the center between two objects, okay? It is the point at which they balance. For the earth, it is offset to the side. It is not directly in the middle of it. So what it's trying to represent is that the barycenter, or the center of gravity, the balancing point between the earth and the moon, is off to the side, okay? And this is just to demonstrate where that center of gravity is, okay? Based on the relationship of the earth being larger than the moon, the center of gravity would be off to the side. This one was very hard, I think, for the kids of like, okay, what was